Good afternoon, pumpers. We're back after having a quick software issue there. The boomers were letting me know that the microphone wasn't working. And Derek Smith is letting me know that we're good now. Shout out to all the boomers tuning in. It's the voice of the blockchain, the crypto commander-in-chief, here back with another live stream. Today we'll be talking about Facebook, crypto, Monero, all-time high transactions, and why Bitcoin is rising, and more as the rest of the boomers tune in. Jojo Waves here. Queen's Races is here. 10-4. Roger that. A little software. I thought it was a software issue, but I think it was the microphone wasn't plugged in. I ended up closing all the software and restarting. Anyhow, we're here, and we're back stronger than ever. Shout out to Derek, Jojo, Queen's Races, and Original Copy. The crypto couples are here in the trenches, booming with the best of them. Just came back from the gym. I went light this whole week. I was going to take the week off, but I just... I want to hit these PRs too much. Although I went light this week, I did heavy on the deadlifts. But besides that, light work. So you guys know the deal. We'll be talking about that today on our second live stream, general self-improvement lifts and bitch chats. But right now, this is the crypto live stream. I need you guys touching all the buttons, the subscribe, the like, the post notification bell, the ding dings. Stay tuned in to the good crypto word that we spread here daily. We're talking about Facebook crypto today. Monero, all-time high transactions. Monero, guys. I told you about Monero. Don't sleep on it. It may not be a kapump or a kaboomer, but it's going to be here for the long gun, I believe. Bitcoin is rising. We expected a pullback. It occurred, but the pullback wasn't as drastic as some of us were expecting. I was expecting maybe 48, but it didn't drop below 5. So solid as a rock. Hashtag Chevy for all the cryptos out there. Champ, we're going up. Gold 2020 called it. May 3rd, he said a May high and June low also. Okay, let's see. I think that we've been talking about it here. And I told you within 30 days, I think that we were going to go above 6K. And that seems like it may happen this week or next week at this rate. We're at, 57, 58. We'll check in just a moment. Again, touch all the buttons for me, guys. We'll be talking about Facebook, crypto, Monero, all-time high transactions, Bitcoin rising, and more and more and more and more booms and more kabits out there. Let me turn off these coins and share my screen with you boomers. Check out today's math, and we'll get into it. Current market cap at 186, looking healthy out there, boomers. 186 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 55.2%. Which shows me that people are still chasing the bits as they should. What's up, Mark D? I see you. Bitcoin at 58.17, looking strong. Okay, looking strong. And we may be at 6K. Listen, usually on the weekends, things don't really kapump. It seems like the weekends are either sideways trading and sometimes even dumps on the weekends. But this little run-up for Friday is looking sexy. I'm not mad at this, guys. I think we should be at 6K sometime next week or the week after. But, I will agree. We're going to see some peaks and valleys as we approach past 6K and closer to 7 and 8K. Let's see if we can hit 10K by the summer. I think we're going to come up short, although we may even hit 10K sometime this year. My prediction for the end of the year is somewhere around 8K. Let's see if that all stays in line and in tune. Ethereum at 169, Ether. It's moving slower than Bitcoin. That's what's going on. Bitcoin Cash performing very well, up 8.5% at 294. It's performing better than Bitcoin today, and we talked about this one yesterday. I'm not in Bitcoin Cash, but it's here to stay, guys. It has a name brand, and it's serving some sort of a purpose. I see people are using it, and appears like some merchants are accepting it. And then that's the same thing that's going on with Litecoin, which I believe is the right coin. Let there be light on the crypto valley. You got Litecoin at 79 bucks, performing almost as well as Bitcoin Cash, not just quite. But again, this is a slugfest over here between Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. I know Mark D holds both of them. Okay, and I'm more of a Litecoin holder, but I understand those holding Bitcoin Cash. I mean, I get it. EOS is moving as well. I'm a EOS maniac. I like to call it Ethereum on steroids, and I've been letting you guys know that EOS Rex exchange is open, and that I ended up staking a few tokens out there, getting the Rex, and see what kind of returns we can make there. It's an alternative to the Shintai platform. You may want to check out the last videos I did sometime this week. I may do a dedicated video just to EOS Rex. I've been accessing EOS Rex via the EOS Authority portal instead of EOSRex.io. I found this new wallet. I'm going to show it to you guys anyway right here when we're talking about it. EOS Authority just opened up this wallet or software dashboard. I don't know what you want to call it, but it allows you to manage your EOS account via this website. You log in with your scatter. You can buy Rex right here. It's a lot easier to use, manage your keys, create new accounts, bid on names, get the air grabs. This is very similar to EOStoolkit.io, which I've shared with you guys several times here. But I think that this one's kind of sexier. And so, you know, I use this tool to get Rex. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's a resource exchange on EOS that allows you to lend your tokens out and make some passive income. Let's talk about these prices here. You got Binance is down today. Okay, so maybe a time to like take a little stab at Binance. I think Binance is here to stay. They got a revenue model there that they're generating revenue via their exchange, and the price is down. So maybe we get some more Binance. You know that we have Binance in our portfolio, our virtual portfolio that we've been managing, although we did sell a little bit of it and to pick up some Litecoin, I believe. Was it Litecoin? And I think we got some Theta or Wax. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But Binance looks like there may be an opening for Binance today. Shout out to Currency. You just dropped 10 in the bucket. I appreciate you, Currency. Currency always coming through, showing love out there. And let me shout you out all the time you come by and stop by and show love. Guys, show Currency some love. Subscribe to his channel. He's covering the world reset, the economic world reset. He's covering all the economics out there when it comes to these third world countries and other countries and people. This is the global reset that's happening worldwide. Everything's changing. And Currency's not only covering the crypto walk, but he's also covering that as well. Let me drop a bomb for Currency. Some coins off the ceiling. Guys, follow his lead. The super chat's open. If you like to show love, all the proceeds go to the family fund here, the Nakamoto family, the young champ boomers. He's drinking whole milk. He's off the formula. And then we got the little boomette. She's still on the formula as well. And, you know, we give her the breast milk as well. But we got to pick up that formula. You got to pick up diapers as well. So we're building the Nakamoto family strong out here. Family first out there, boomers. Okay, don't let them tell you any way, other way. They try to program you and brainwash you out there and trying to give you reasons not to build a family. But it's what you should be doing out there if you're a grown man. Shout out to Bart. I see you. We can get high this weekend, says Bart. Indeed. I just heard about Bcash has a guy that recently started mining, and he has already 40% of the hash power, and he goes by the name Satoshi Nakamoto. They're saying it could be a 51, and I lost that. It went off. But Queens, he just dropped $5. Bang, bang, following the Currency. Lee Hollow for $1 Bitcoin. Thank you so much. Dolphins coming through with $1.99. Boom. The boomers are showing love today. Thank you so much, boomers. Queens, Dolphin, 134. And Currency, 365. Day one snipers here in the field. All those baby bear cubs that are dancing and prancing. Watch out. Boom. See you guys. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you guys every single time. It's like the first time. I'm humbled. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Stellar at 10 cents. Cardano at 7 cents. Tron at 2 cents. Monero at 67. We're going to be talking about why Monero has all-time high transactions on its blockchain today. Dash at 121. Satoshi Vision's garbage. And then Cosmo, the new kid on the block. Okay. Does it have the right stuff, baby? Let me know. It's at 497. It's up 11%. There you go. Boom. Copy showing love today as well. The boomers are getting paid today. A little run up there with Bitcoin. It's Friday. It's payday. It seems like you guys want to show gratuity. There you go. Original copy got $2 in the bucket. And let me drop some bills because these are not coins that you're sending. It's fiat. So I appreciate all you maniacs. Guys, follow the leaders here. Copy 134. Dolphin. Queens. Currency 365s and the rest of the boomers that are showing love here with the gratuities on the super chat. And if you like, you can also send BAT tokens via the BAT browser. And I've been saying this all week. Download the BAT browser, start earning BAT tokens and supporting those content creators that you pay attention to. Basic attention token, guys. Indeed. Thank you, Copy. Thank you, Dolphin134. Thank you, Queen's Racist. Thank you, Currency 365. Thank you, all the maniacs dropping love, dropping comments, sharing this on the population, on their social media feeds. If you're a broke boomer, do it now. Share this on your social media feed and then download the Brave browser. You can earn some bats. You don't got to come out of pocket. Queen's Racist says the price pump is helping. It certainly seems like it. Then you got Cosmo at 497. Let's talk about Facebook, okay, which is Facebook to launch crypto payment system Project Libra, seeking a $1 billion investment. Do they not have a $1 billion to do this project on their own, or are they just, what's going on here? I'm not excited about Facebook. You know how I feel about Facebook. It's the fake book, and you got Zuckerberg out there, funny bunny. And I really want nothing to do with it. I'll be honest with you. I heard that Facebook momentarily was accepting crypto payments via their messaging dApp, if I'm not mistaken. I don't use Facebook. I haven't logged in there for years, so I don't know. But I heard through the social media vines that apparently that was going on, but that they took it off, and now it looks like Project Libra may be underway. Facebook is one of the top social networks. Okay. Reports highlight that a user with this payment system will be able to send digital coins, and also they can make payments for purchase on Facebook as well as across the internet. Okay. Nevertheless, the social giant is reportedly raising about $1 million, which may possibly be raised from leading firms like Visa, MasterCard, and First Data. Nothing but financial legacy systems. I want nothing to do with it. You got Tom Lee out there out of Fundstrat. He's a Bitcoin bull, and this is what he said on his Twitter. He says, rough numbers. Banks' revenue per customer is like about $800 per year. Facebook is like $7. Doing banking-like services for Facebook is like 100x opportunity. Plus, one might argue Facebook could arguably assess the credit worthiness of its user base better than a bank maybe. So there you go. I mean, what he says makes sense, and I can see why Facebook is trying to get into the game. They're about making their money, but I don't think they're crip walkers, and I want nothing to do with it. But that's what's going on, and I know some people get erect when they see these mainstream normies getting into the game. So that's what's going on. Shout out to Copy. He says, bro, download Verge wallet, and I'll send some Verge. The wallet is dope. I got to check that out. I haven't really used Verge at all. I got nothing bad to say about it. I like privacy coins. Monero being my favorite one. I think it's a boomer, but I got nothing bad to say about Verge. Maybe I will download that wallet. But for now, if you guys want to send over some crypto, I have crypto addresses down below in the description box. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ether, and the BAT tokens. And you can tip BAT right through the BAT browser if you've downloaded it. Zuck is a cuck, and I don't use it, but it's a money printing machine. Great investment right now. That may be true, Mark. You know, Zuck is a cuck. I think that's been verified. But anyhow, you know, you could look at it like just like a business investment. This, to me, is not crypto. Okay, this is just another business move. I have nothing. Just like Ripple. Ripple's not crypto. Ripple may go up. Ripple may boom to like $2, $3 again. I don't know. I just want nothing to do with it. I think it's toxic to the crypto space, and so is this fake book coin, if you ask me. But Mark D does have a point there. So that's what's going on. Project Libra. Facebook is trying to launch this crypto payment system, and they're seeking a $1 billion investment through these payment giants like Visa and the rest of them. Let's talk about why Monero is pumping and has all-time high transactions. Monero transactions hit new all-time high thanks to a social gambling game. It's called Minko. Okay, where you could, it's kind of like, you know, Magic Dice, like EOS Bet, but it's kind of its own little game, and you can give it a whirl and gamble. I haven't used it, but people seem to be liking it. It spiked up the transactions on the blockchain, and you can see the Minko site. That's how it is. And you hear that coins or whatnot. So it's looking sexy. And you could just open up an anonymous Monero account and start using this website to give it a whirl and perhaps earn some more tokens. This is gambling, and you know, I don't necessarily support that, but sometimes people want to have fun. But that's the reason why the Monero transactions are all-time high. This week, we've also spoke about Monero's GitHub having more movement than before. So there we go. You know, Monero, I got to tell you guys, don't sleep on Monero. It's a good little store of value. And if you're a crip walker, you should have like a little Monero or three there along with your Bitcoin in the shoebox, if you ask me. Okay. We're having a little pump today, says Rev. Indeed. I would have expected things to go below 5K, but it didn't. It held well there at around 51, 52. And it seems like we'll be at 6K by next week. This week, I said I thought we would be at 6K within 30 days. But it appears like that's going to happen faster than I expected. So that's good. Now, if we do hit the 6K range, expect another pullback. Okay, we're going to have to be fighting every single resistance that comes up. It's not going to run up as quickly as it did before, although it can. I think we'll fall short of $10,000 by the end of the year. But let's see if we can hit close to 10K this summer or this fall. Raphael's here. Sorry, just getting in. I'm all cash at the moment. There you go, Raphael. Monero's the dollar vigilante's #1 choice for 2019. There you go. The dollar vigilante, Mr. Berwick. Although I'm not an anarchist, and I don't know how that's going to work for the long term. I understand where he's coming from, and he's looking for life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. It seems, and he called Ether at the very beginning, and I know he's been a Bitcoin maniac. And listen, Monero is the truest crypto on the top 15 right now. Monero is more of a true crypto than Bitcoin, guys. Okay, and if you don't know about that, check the video I have linked down below, 5 reasons why Monero could be superior to Bitcoin. Although I'm not saying it is, Bitcoin remains king because it has the first mover advantage and it has that market cap size. But don't sleep on Monero out there, okay? Don't sleep on Monero, okay? And then, of course, Minko is the reason why Monero has all-time high transactions right now. I haven't tried this out, but it looks attractive. These little DApp games are fun to play sometimes, okay? Let's talk about 4 sectors embracing cryptocurrency in 2019. I have this. Do I have this link down below? Maybe I didn't link it down below, but if I don't have it linked down below, I will at the end of the broadcast. I'll enter this into the description box. 4 sectors embracing cryptos in 2019. This out of cryptodaily.co.uk. Okay, these are sectors, and I have a video where I recognize certain sectors that I think will boom. It's called Top 5 Blockchain Industries. It's linked down below as well. And let's see what this article has to say. So they're saying the banking industry, the entertainment industry, the travel industry. We know that Expedia accepts Bitcoin, and they have for some time now. So if you want to take some trips with your crypto, you can go over there to Expedia and purchase hotels. You could purchase plane tickets, and you could travel based on the bits. It's quite sexy, if you ask me. Property is another sector that they're looking for. And those are the 4 sectors: property, travel, entertainment, and banking. It's different than what I've recognized. I'm looking more at the decentralized exchanges, at privacy tokens, the gaming industry, and whatnot. Mark D says, Cardano's lagging. Charles dragging his ass on that project. Listen, I want to see the Shelly up and running because I got excited. He tweeted that Shelly was ready, but apparently not. It hasn't been implemented. So, I don't want this. I don't want the guys over there at Cardano jiving the crypto maniacs. This Shelly better be up and running before we start sending out sniper teams out there. I've completed a candlestick trading course, and now I'm doing a trading analysis course on Udemy. They're great. Keep us posted with that, Rev, and let us know if you identify any boomers out there. You know how I feel about these technical indicators. I don't know how reflective they really are of the crypto industry, but maybe I'm wrong. Shout out to Raphael, Rev, Mark D, and the rest of the boomers out there. Everybody showing love here in the super chats. Queen's Races, Currency 365, Dolphin 134, and who else showed love? Queen's Races, Dolphin, and Original Copy. Can't miss Copy out there. I appreciate you maniacs out there. Thank you so much. But when it comes to this Facebook crypto, I'm not excited. Mark is a cuck, in my opinion. And, Zuck the cuck. And I want nothing to do with it. There was a meme going around that had like the Facebook logo in the form of like a swastika or something. And they've been deplatforming and censoring people. And it looks like they've gone a little Orwellian over there at Facebook. So I want nothing to do with these guys. And you can see Tom Lee over here in this article talking about that they may have more information on people's credit worthiness than actual banks themselves, which is probably true. And, that's because they've been mining everybody's data and selling their data out there. So, guys, get off this platform. It's straight garbage out there. This may be an investment just to make some returns, but I won't be investing in this garbage. I'll be honest with you. I really don't want nothing to do with it. But I'm covering it because I know you guys get erect, or some people get erect when they see these name brands getting into the game. And it may very well bring more capital into crypto and only boost the bits. You guys know the deal. Raphael says the Cardano wallet is craps. I haven't used it, Shelly is ready, but he's awaiting the perfect moment to flick the switch. Listen, Rev, if he doesn't flick the switch this month, we're gonna have to start sending sniper teams out there, because remember, it was like, what is it? March, April was the guarantee, okay? And then they did their conference and they say Shelly's ready, but then at the end of the day, nothing's happening. So I don't want him to go down the Ether route. I mean, I hope he's not hanging out with Vitalik. Don't tell me that Hoskinson's been hanging out with Vitalik lately. We got to get him over there with Larimer because Larimer's making movements at least. At least these blockchains are being issued. But, you know, again, you know, not to throw shade over there at Cardano. I like Cardano. I think it's a great idea. I think that it has potential. I just want to see it moving already. Maybe I'm losing my patience. Cardano's slacking. I think Rev needs to talk to him for real. Rev, you should sold some Cardano and got Bitcoin. You would have made a mad money since December 14th. There you go. I've been trying to tell Rev to have a Bitcoin or 3, but he doesn't want to listen to me. Anyhow, I'm still, you know, anticipating a boom for Cardano. Hopefully it happens, but it's going to be a decisive month for them. Shout out to BitPapa, kaboom. But Papa, I appreciate those BAT tokens that you send out to me. I received them. Thank you so much. BitPapa sent me some BAT tokens via the Brave browser. And he showed love as well. Let me drop a bomb for BitPapa. Queen says, I would have been swing trading that Cardano money. You know, the thing with the swing trading is it gets dangerous. You know, you don't want to do too many swings out there. You know, even when it comes to the crypto portfolio, the champ doesn't want to swing too much out there. You know, you got to focus on the ones you like and dig deep into the trenches and hodl them. Louis Farrakhan and other minorities have received a lifetime ban this week on Facebook. Yeah, I just mentioned that earlier. It seems like they got a little Orwellian, a little tyrant out there. Zuck the cuck. And that's another reason why I don't want nothing to do with the fake book. They've been mining people's data. They're trying to censor people out there. They got experiments going on the timelines trying to change people's behavior. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Google it. But I want nothing to do with the fake book out there, boomers. Soy Boys made Cardano. Let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. I don't know about that. And, you know, I don't know, you know, other than Hoskinson, I don't know who the team is. And I had an opportunity to speak to Hoskinson, and he seems like a cool dude. So, I mean, I have nothing bad to say about him, but I want to see this Cardano up and running and kapumping this month. BitPapa has a 30-day ban on fake book too. You should just get off of it, BitPapa. Guys, at least look at other blockchains, social media applications like Steam. There's another one out there I think is like Redcoin. There's a few out there. And, you know, I think that this social media is going to move to the blockchain, and it's going to give the opportunity for the content creators to earn more. We already see it in the form of Steam. We see it, content creators that can get tips there on the Brave browser. And, you know, I want Facebook's model to crumble. Champ, they don't even lift, bro. Hoskinson's cool, but he needs some test. Yeah, I mean, at least he's not looking like Vitalik. You know the deal. Anything but Vitalik out there. And shout out to Vitalik. I know I go hard on him. I just want to see him gain some weight. And I want to see Ether upgraded into what they're trying to do already. Facebook is funny bunny indeed. Snipe him out the box. Shout out to Rafterman. Look at David Icke talking about internet created by DARPA as a military weapon. Yeah, you know, David Icke thinks everybody's a reptilian or whatnot. I think he goes off the deep end. But, yeah, you know, the internet was created by DARPA. And at the end of the day, if I'm not mistaken, SHA-256, the Bitcoin mining algorithm, was created by the NSA or DARPA or one of those other institutions. Bart says, till soon, champ, kaboom. I see you, Bart. Have a great weekend. Keep booming out there. It's all psyops, but champ is real. Yeah, indeed. You know the deal, BitPapa. You know the deal. I'll take a few more comments and questions. I'm going to fire down this broadcast, and then we'll pop up the other one. We're going to do the lifts and bitch chats today. We'll be talking about the workout program and what we're up to. I want to do a general self-improvement chat. We do it every Friday. Crypto Powers here, another crypto brother. He says, Vitalik needs testosterone shots and a sandwich. He lacks power and protein. Salute to Champagne. Thank you, Power. Later boxing and workout, no soy boy activity. Indeed. How is the game going, says Rafael. What game? Which one are you talking about? I'll wait for Rafael's response and anybody else that wants to drop a comment. BitPapa just dropped $2 in the bucket. Papa showing love this week. Thank you so much, BitPapa. Keep booming out there. He just dropped $2 in the bucket. I know it's Friday and the markets are doing good, so you guys are being generous, and I appreciate all you maniacs. Thank you so much. And for everybody that's showing gratuity, dropping a little bit of change in the bucket, you know, like I always say, this goes to the Nakamoto Family Fund. We got the young champ Boomer here, and we got the little Boomette here, so we need more formula, whole milk, and diapers every single day. Big Papa says, I'm back in the gym, champ, THC and caffeine free. There you go. That's good. Raphael says, was it on EOS, I think? No, there's games on EOS that, you know, the EOS bet, if you like to, you know, give it a whirl with the dice or whatnot. I was using, I was playing the Drug Wars there on Steam. And it's a fun little game, but, you know, it's not something that you're going to really get an ROI on. It's just for fun. And, you know, you can get an ROI, but, I mean, there's better methods. I mean, if you really want to invest in something, you may want to look into the EOS Rex or whatever. Original Copy says, much love, champ. We will catch you on Monday. Indeed, Copy, thank you so much for the love today, and stay booming out there. I'll catch you on Monday. Big Papa says his testosterone's exploding out there. Good job. He's off the THC and the caffeine for now, and it's good every once in a while to fast from these things, you know. I got nothing against my cannabis connoisseurs out there. It's all good. But, you know, it's good to just, you know, take a little fast. Maybe take a break every once in a while. And the same thing with caffeine. I mean, Champ drinks coffee almost every single day. But it's good to take a little break every once in a while. We love you, champ. No homo. We love you a lot. I appreciate you, Queens. It's nothing but love. Stay blessed out there. And Queens is one of our most gratuitous members out here. I appreciate it. Queens out there. I know you're a believer. And I appreciate you so much, Queens. Keep booming out there. Big Papa says he's high on life. There you go. So, you know, you add the fast from the THC, the caffeine, you eat well, and then you stop fapping around. Before you know it, you're going to be looking like 300 Crypto Spartan doing it for Sparta. You know the deal. Much love, champ, says Big Papa. Much love to you as well. I'm just smoking doobie, intern fasting. Shout out to Raphael. All right, guys, make sure you check out all the links that I have down below. If you're a broke boomer, you can't send over a super chat. That's all good. Drop a positive comment. Share this over there on your social media feeds. And then download the Brave browser. You can earn some BAT tokens and you, just for turning on the ad thing. And just by clicking on some ads, you get a couple, you know, fractions of a BAT. And you could tip that way. It's real simple. You don't got to come out of pocket. You can check out the Coinbase Earn program where you can get free Stellar, BAT, 0x, and Zcash by watching videos and answering some questions. So it's like an education program, and I got an invite to join that as well. Okay, you gotta. I think someone said yesterday that they couldn't get into the program of BAT, 0x, and Zcash. The link that I have provided down below is specifically to earn Stellar. You can earn up to like 40 or 50 bucks in Stellar. So my understanding, I mean, I've earned everything from Stellar, BAT, 0x. I haven't done the Zcash yet. And it seems like, you got to get invited or put yourself on a waiting list, and then they send you an email a few days later. So I got this invite for Stellar, just to get you through the door, and, go ahead and do that. It's free coins. Why not? And check all the links that I have down below. Guys, I got the Berkey water filter up and running. I primed the filters yesterday. Maybe we should talk about that in our next live stream, because you guys should be sipping on some healthy water out there, fluoride free. I want your pineal gland uncalcified. You guys know the deal. If you're broke, you could check out the Zero water filter. It's only like 30 bucks, and that takes out the fluoride as well. I got Amazon links down below. They give me a few bucks if you click on that as well. Big Papa hasn't fapped in years. He's been waking up with a kickstand every morning and having REM sleep a lot. There you go. I'm missing that REM sleep personally. You know, we got 2 babies here in the house, and it's nothing but a crying symphony, like a little nursery out here. I don't know how I continue to move, but the champ's running on fumes right now. But, you know, I receive it. It's a blessing. On that note, I'm going to go ahead and tune down this broadcast. I'll take a small intermission, and we'll be back in just a moment with our general self-improvement chat that we do here every Friday. Shout out to Big Papa, Raphael, Queens Races, and everybody that showed love in this super chat. We're not going anywhere. We're just taking a quick break. I'm going to turn this one off, and then I'll be back in about 5 to 10 minutes with the second live stream. We could do an open discussion about everything ancillary to crypto. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest champagne. I'll be right back.